If you want to write gig descriptions that actually sell your work, you need to understand a few key elements that make your listing stand out. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're going to dive into the exact steps you can take to craft a description that grabs attention, highlights your skills, and ultimately drives sales. Let's start with the most important tip. Focus on the client's needs first. Before you dive into your qualifications or what you offer, think about what your client is looking for. What problem do they need solving? If you can address that in the first few sentences, you've already set yourself apart. For example, instead of saying, "I'm a graphic designer with 5 years of experience," try starting with something like, "Need a logo that speaks to your brand's identity? I create custom designs that capture the essence of your business." It immediately shows that you understand the client's needs. Now, be specific and detailed. Generic descriptions are forgettable. If you just say, "I'll design your website," it's not compelling. But if you say, "I'll create a responsive, mobile-friendly website with clean navigation and a focus on user experience," you give the client a clear idea of exactly what to expect. Specifics build trust and help the client visualize the end result. Another key element is showing proof of your skills. Clients want to know they're hiring someone who can deliver. Include a brief line about your past projects or relevant experience. If possible, link to samples or add screenshots that showcase your work. This adds credibility to your gig description and reassures potential clients that you know what you're doing. Next, use persuasive language, but avoid being overly salesy. Use words that communicate the value you provide, like professional, high quality, results-driven, and customized. And these terms reinforce the idea that you're not just offering a service, but a solution that meets their unique needs. One thing a lot of people overlook is clarity and readability. Break your description into short paragraphs or bullet points. This makes it easier for clients to skim and find the information they care about quickly. You want to be sure they don't get overwhelmed by a wall of text. Another important part of writing strong gig descriptions is optimizing for SEO. Keywords like professional, affordable, high quality, or any specific terms related to your service should be naturally incorporated into your description. Just be sure not to overdo it. Write for people, not just search engines. To help you optimize your gig descriptions, we're using software that can streamline the entire process. It helps you craft descriptions that not only sound great, but also help your gig rank higher. You can get an exclusive free trial of this software by clicking the link in the description below, only available for viewers of my channel, so take advantage of that. Now, here's a key takeaway. Writing a strong gig description is about understanding your client's needs, being specific, and showing your expertise. Make your description clear, persuasive, and easy to read. And don't forget to optimize it for search engines. Quick recap of the main points. Focus on the client's needs, be specific and detailed, show proof of your skills, use persuasive language, and keep things clear and optimized for SEO. Finally, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we used in the description below. It's the perfect tool to help you write gig descriptions that actually sell your work. Thanks for watching.